Have you ever wanted to undo changes in the templates as you're working on them? Maybe you're experimenting with a production version and you break something and you want to go back to the version you had before. You can do that with the library by saving your versions manually, but it would be nice to be able to just recreate or reload a version that you already have. Here's an example of a page that we've been working on and we're not necessarily happy with it. We want to go back to a previous version. Click on versions, and what we want to do in our version management is to load a previous version. We choose the production version that we were happy with earlier today, and we go back to where we were, and we can save the new layout. We can name our layouts as we want and mark them as favorites by choosing the name or mark version as favorite option. Give them a name. We'll just call it Fred just to demonstrate it, and we'll make that a favorite as well. Click OK. Status is updated, and if we look at our list of versions, we see that we have the version from 22 minutes past 5 today as Fred.